Hi guys, it's Katie, LPTA here at MMA and Sports Rehab. So I'm going to show you guys an exercise called Bird Dog, which is really great for your core stability. So if you find that you have any low back pain after you've been sitting for long periods of time, this will be a really good one for you to try. Okay, so you're going to come down onto your hands and knees. All right. Core is engaged. You want to keep the back straight and then the hips level when you do this. So you're going to reach opposite arm and leg out and come back slowly, nice and controlled. And then do the same thing on the other side. And a progression of this could be to alternate back and forth. Pain-free range, you can do 2 sets of 10 on each side.